kan video ma sa khanin Madam Tusat kakan run dilanga to next ta kan Shrek le Sea Life kan kal na kan run dilanga kakan tia chon hi tun chuma kan run dilang don na mase khatia han play de top emo music han play de top ai kan fanu hian a react chak dewa kum limi ni a school la chan lawa atong hi a fia lu tuk lawa sap chong le Mizo chong in kan bek kopa sap chong hian a chong tama I kan thelaya man den ni wangin ma se chu po chu ala fia chuang lawa atong thia mang ang khan react changa chan subtitle la khan kalau da don engani asoyang ang khachu ka theang min lo da ka tumanga ole tikhanin kan play nga Joanna hian lo react don ani chu ti chuanin helai room a han kan ti meang o react tang o ole ta
ole
kan react don ne ti chuan kan video hi top thleng min lo clear sak turin kan nge na che u go.
Hi guys, my name is Joanna. I am going to watch Shrek and react, not like that. Wait, let me put it on Reddit. Now wait, Mommy.
All right.
We find go and see Shrek and they picked it today. And then it turned in big. Oh my god. That's so great. It can turn around but it begins to swell. But we got water. Wow. They did boat it. That is singing wow. Oh, boat. Oh, we got boat. And then the red ball belted, and then Ben went that way, and that it cut it. And then it going to well, and it gonna go it to but it going to well to stay there. Because we can go up, but it's not getting, but it's getting too long time. And then we try to see that, and then it begins it. Now it did. Oh my God, it helped. Wow, that rate helped it. We go down it, so wait it, and then we can go inside and into Shrek house, and we go that. Wow, a donkey. And then donkey them, and we are going inside into Shrek house.
Very good. Camera and light.
Wow. Oh my God, it's good. Oh, we loved it. But we are going inside and then we up, and then Pancake Man, and then it's them, and then it's Shrek, and it is became so funny. It is became nice and good. Okay, I take my room and like come to you.
Hi everyone, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Penelope Pimpledecker, and I am the head tour guide here at DreamWorks Tours.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all here to the Departure Game!
Like golden banana and like what?
Let's do it again. We're here to take you to Rico. Where's that flight plan? Skipper, our flight plan has been compromised. Oh, wait! Shiitake mushrooms. Don't you know that's a witch advisory? Witches, never fear. It's not a beast. Sorry, late. That's a flying ride. No problem, Paul. They're all yours. Okay, thanks, guys.
That's what I call a good start.
But it's Rumpelstiltskin's favourite witch, Griselda.
What is coming?
Okay, that could be trouble.
What is coming?
Trouble, you big green lummox. I just finished drawing up the prenup when my future wife became my late wife. Now, these people will pay with their lives. And any ancillary lawyer's fees.
Don't listen to that sawed-off leprechaun. I'll get you home.
You're too late,
Rumpelstiltskin.
Shrek. The rest of my witches are on the way.
I
believe I can be of service.
Back.
Pardon me.
Cat is there. Well, what happened to Cat?
Almost there. Oh. There. I believe you will find more than enough hair of a hero. In addition to some other things a cat may pick up when he's licking his... that a cat may pick up.
What?
Oh my, this sounds like fun.
And now our quiz master, Felonious.
Suppose I asked for
Yeah.
some questions.
Pinocchio.
Correct, our Alicia little friend here.
Oh, yay!
Get one wrong, then I'll practice my woodworking.
Panda. Oh, holding hand in oh,
Joanna is strong.
but his hand in more. I went free the dragon. What are they doing in route? Oh, Daddy found what are you doing? Wow. Daddy Van, oh, we are driving a car. And then we love to drive car, but then it put in water. Swimming in water. And then we're going to have lunch. Joanna, that me. We're going to Sea Life. Oh my God! It became so cute. And then we are going to a theater. We need to put lake in. Oh my God! They are cute. And then it bit it. And then we gonna take open it. We are at it, and it's tall baby, but it's so cute. And then all it baby bit it, and then but he like to go, but he is taking up it, and then did everything to it, nighted and good it, and then we can do that, and then it more bit it, and then it's so cute, and then beautiful and cute, and then there is big one, bad one, and then it kinda moved it, and then he kinda move it. That is up there, so that it's so tiny, so it can move a lot. So I like the good. So I like the one it so can do that, but it became too nice, but it can move it, but it's going up, but it's also going up too, and then it's going so down and up, and then the one is good hit and straight, and then there is two beautiful, and then we like the two beautiful and cute, and then it's beautiful, and then it's going so up and higher. Wow, it's so going up and higher, but that is giving it thing water. What he want to give water?
It's a fish family.
Oh yeah, that he need give no water. Maybe that it's so cute, but it's staying right here, but Joanna cannot see anything. And then it began to view there. But he has long legs to swim, but he don't have it, her tail. He have only her long legs, so he have it everything, and then it good united, and then waited, and we loved it, but the pudding is gone. Only avatar is there. Stop it. Wow. Amon is there. It's good and monitor. We cannot take it. It's so yucky. And then it's so cute and funny too. I like it too. We cannot take it all. It begin to talk it. And then we can do that. And then we can, but the daddy is singing, but wow, it begin to nice and cute. Oh, so cute. Okay. It can move. It became cute. It can move it, and then it can fly up. And then it's going to, and then it can fly up and then moving in water. But he needs to give it. That one boy is giving it more water for her. Because he need water, but he is like go that way, and then that girl is taking pictures, and then he like to go up it, and it's birds, and then it's cannon, but we're going to stop it. Oh no, it's begin to more. Oh, so big. And then it can eat at the, oh no, it begins to big. And then it's so late so that it like it to begin out it. And then, oh my god. Yeah, it's Hamel Pit. No, that girl is no member. The tiny girl no member. So it's so funny and bad. It's so funny. And then, oh my god. It became so big. But it cannot eat it. Because it became so big and then more. It became baby pit. Wow. Did you see it? Did you see from TV? It's so pretty. Seahorse. And then it's so cute. And then seahorse did. And then Betty is taking it. Mom, seahorse.
Baby, it's coming from his mouth.
Baby, it's coming from mouth. Oh, seahorse. He is getting her. And then he is good to get her. And then he love her. Oh, big appetite. Oh my god. It did good to Daddy taking it but that is not good to do with make her like it there. Oh no, it's moving because he is staying right here. Oh my god. Oh, it's not appetite. It's hot appetite. It became oh no. It did her mouth is opening. Why he cannot close her mouth? Why?
I don't know.
He cannot because he is bit.
Correct.
He can turn around and see it, but I cannot touch him because window is there. Whee! What's that doing in tail?
A zebra fish.
Yeah.
It's like a snake.
it became so nice. And then it became like that and like that and like that. So I don't know why, but it can move. Oh my god, it became to another one. So I know it top it and then good it. And then I like that it look it. And then we like it, huh? Did you like it, guys? And then we liked it and it became so cute. And then we loved it, it became so cute and so nice. And then beautiful. And then we liked that. And then we, whoa. Oh my god. It became so puppet. Wow, piranha. Oh my god. That is so mini pitted.
Piranha.
Banana, we can go and run into pit, but it can go that way, but we can run. Going that way, but he cannot go there because he's stuck. Because that it make her stay right here. Because he's old and big. Oh my god. What's that? T-Hot. T-Hot is staying here and Pit is waiting for T-Hot to wait. Oh my god, it became so big. It can eat Anna. It can bird.
Penguin is coming.
Wow, there is penguin and it's so cute. Hey! That's a toad coming. Hey, don't do it at me. That's it, good and waited till we liked it. Oh my god, it began. Oh no. It began to win. Oh, it's so cute. Why he want go in water?
You want to swim?
Oh, yeah, but he wants to have it through water, but he wanted, but I think penguin. Oh, this one is the one now. It's became so cute, and he's saying hi, but he is not letting him oh my god. Hey, that is dog.
Polar bear.
Yeah,
Polar bear.
polar bear. It can take raw. It became so cute. So cute. He's so cute. Don't do it at me again. That's not bad. We like the toad. Daddy is here. And then he is taking this one is so cute. And then he is taking hey, don't do it at me again. We are like sorry. Wait, don't do that. Dolphin? Hey, that's not bird dolphin. Don't interact at me. Hey, don't do that. Wow. It's good and then we loved it and then this one is Neil Island. Sea Island. So we cannot go up but we cannot run it up. Because we cannot run it up because we are going to flip down and then we are going to get hurt. And then it's over and then we like it today. Like, subscribe and bye bye.